Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Word Analysis Day 1. We are on Unit 2, Week 3. Our story for this week is titled Scene 2. We're going to be talking about prefixes and how they change the meaning when they're added to the beginning of a word. And some of these may be a review for you, but that's okay because practice makes perfect. So let's go ahead and get started. This week we're going to be focusing on Latin prefixes dis, re, and non, and also pre. I didn't put it right there, but I did add it down here. So let's begin by talking about the prefix dis. Means the opposite of or not. And for this week, we are going to focus on it meaning mainly not. The prefix re means again. The prefix non, again, the same as dis. It is similar to also meaning the word not. And the prefix pre means before. So we're going to break this week's list up into several segments, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what our words are so that you can be studying every day. Now, our word list for this week is dishonest, dislike, reread, nonfiction, nonsense, rearrange, pre-cook, pre-mix, pre-select, and preview. So let's go ahead and start with day 1. We're going to begin with our prefix dis, meaning opposite, or like I said, we're going to focus on not. I'm going to look at the word dislike. That's our first. I'm going to find my root word. It is the word like, and I've highlighted it right here for you. Now, my prefix is dis, and as you see, we've added it to the beginning, and it means not. So I know that happy, or I know that like means happy, feeling, or showing pleasure or contentment. So dislike is not showing or feeling pleasure or contentment. And this should have been, I know that, like. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I know that like means feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. So if I dislike a certain type of music, then that means that I don't feel pleasure when listening to it. I'm not happy. I dislike it. Okay? So let's take a look at our next spelling word that begins with the prefix or has the prefix dis with it. And it happens to be dishonest. So you and I are now going to look and find our root word. And our root word again, yes, you're absolutely correct. We have highlighted it in yellow. And say it with me, boys and girls. Absolutely good reading. It is honest. And our prefix is dis, and of course it means not. So we know that honest means free of deceit or sincere. So we know that by adding the prefix dis to the beginning of the word, it now will mean not free of deceit or you're not sincere. So now we're going to change pictures. We're going to change our prefixes. All right, we're going to look at re, one of my absolute favorites because it means again. So our first spelling word with re is to reread. We begin with finding, yep, you guessed it, that ever so famous root word. So I've highlighted it here for you. And what is it, boys and girls? Let me hear you say it. You're right. It is read. So I've highlighted it for you. Now, if I tell you to reread your story before the test, then you know that I mean, or you understand that I want you to read it again. So the prefix re tells you the new meaning of the word re. You've done a great job with our first day. I'm proud of you for working so hard, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Have a good day.